Hi cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to be drawing a Disney Christmas inspired Draw So Cute Girl. So let's get started. To draw this cute girl, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and basically draw a bottom of a U. So I'm going to go right across, kind of wide and about right here. Go ahead and connect it at the bottom of a curve. Right here's my center, and then gonna go up. There. So nice bottom of a U. From there, let's come back to where we started, and we're gonna draw a big circle for her eyes. And come right next, about right here, and draw the other eye. It's another circle. Okay, so then now that we have the circles, then let's come in here and make them Draw So Cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights, kind of at an angle, and then a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Okay, so now that we have the eyes in, let's come to the top about right in this area, and we'll spruce it up with some lashes. So just draw 2 curves, longer one and then a slightly shorter one, and same thing over here. There, and then let's come to the top, and about right here, draw her brow. So about right here, just draw a soft curve over her eye. And same thing over on the other side. So about right here. And thicken it up. And let's give her a sweet smile. So right here about in the center, I'll come about right here and draw a curve that goes slightly upwards and cap it off. There. So then now we can work on her hair. So I'm imagining an oval, so right here, and I'll come to the center. So say about right here. I'll give myself a point, and from there I'm going to go slightly upwards, just a little bit, and then curve all the way back down. So same thing here. Just slightly upwards, and then come all the way back to where we started. From there, let's come back in this area where her eyes are and draw her ears. So pop them up about right here. Just 2 curves. And I'll come in here with some details. And same thing over here. So just where her eyes are, right here. And same thing with some details inside. And then now we can come to the top right here in the center and draw this big bow for her. So come up a little bit in the center about right here. You're just going to draw this circle. Nice and big, because we do want the bow to be pretty prominent. And this is a peppermint, so right in the center, I'll give myself a point, and from there I'm going to curve around. So just keep going, and one more to create our peppermint. And then from there we can come to the outside right about right here and draw a big bow, nice and high. And about right here I'll bring it in, curve it a little bit, and bring it right back in. So same thing over here. I want it nice and high. And curve and bring it right back in. And then for some details inside, you can just add some curves right here for some creases. Now that the bow is drawn, let's come about right here to draw the headband. So about right here, we'll start and draw a curve that comes right back down to her ears. And I'll thicken this band and bring it down. So same thing over here. So about right here. And one more over here to thicken it up. Okay, so then from there, let's see. The next part would be the ears. So I'm going to stick them up about right here. Nice big Mickey Mouse ears. So about right here, I'll go ahead and draw a big curve all the way around. And for some details inside, I'm just going to follow my outside line. There. So same thing over here. So about in this area, right here. And I'll drag this point across, so approximate same area to end. So right here, and let's draw another big curve. And I'll just bring this point across so it just helps me figure out where I'm going. I bring it all the way back. There. It's not going to be exact, we just want to make sure that it's approximately the same area and approximately the same size. That's our goal. Okay, so then from there, once again, just like the other one, we're going to follow the outside. From there, I'm going to add another curve right here because I feel like this is a little bit too thin. So I'm going to add another curve right here to finish off the side of her head. So just take a look at your drawing. If you think your band is, your hair band, oh my goodness, is okay and you don't need to draw this, then you definitely just leave it with just a headband. But like I said, because I felt like I needed a fuller, I just add another curve to finish it off. Okay, so then from there, maybe just a little bit of detail on her hair right here. Or you can do that when you're coloring. And we'll draw the rest of her hair later. So now let's draw her outfit. So I'm going to come right here in the center and give her a little neck. Right there. And then bring it down for her shoulders. Down, and same thing on the other side. From there, I'm going to imagine where her armpits are. So say about right here and here. Give myself 2 points. From these 2 points, I'm going to connect them with a soft curve. So this is going to be the top of her dress, and I'll bring this angle down, just a slight angle. Bring it down a little bit more. Right there, and I'll go ahead and connect it for her top. And then for some details right here, I just decided to give her these straps. Right there and here. And you can add some creases if you like for some detail. And then her skirt. So let's poof it out. Nice full poofy skirt. And bring it down more. So I'm bringing this down. And about right here, I'll curve it out a tiny bit, just to give it some movement. So same thing here. About right there. Curve it out. And then I'm going to connect it with a bunch of curves at the bottom. So come right here. And your goal is to have it come down, this being the lowest point, and then go right back up. There. So we have our curve in. Okay, so then now let's keep going. We're going to draw her legs. So nice and centered. So about right here and here. And her hips, so about right here. So go ahead and draw this leg first. So I'm just bringing it down. It's going to get thinner as we come down. Right there, and then I'll draw the feet. So flare it out a little bit. Nice simple pair of shoes. Round it off and connect. There. And then right here, I'm going to add a little bow. Of course, right? It is Disney. Disney inspired to finish it off. And so same thing here. So about right here, same thickness. And flare it out. And connect. Okay, so same thing here, just a little bow right in the center. Ta-da, now we have the legs in. Okay, so then the arms, nice and simple. So we're just gonna bring them down. Kind of following this angle, and then we're just gonna come out a little bit right here, kind of where her waist is, and then we're gonna come out and just pop them down. So same thing here. And then start to bend. And I'll just drag this point across approximately. And in, just like the other side. Okay, so then now let's draw her hair. I'm gonna come about right here. And I'm just gonna curve it in a little bit and then bring it out. So nice, gorgeous long hair. Just give it a little strand that comes out a little bit just to break it up and bring it back in. And same thing here. Just so that it's not so stiff. We just add some strands at the bottom. So maybe here we can just kind of go in, change it up, and bring it back in. The same area. Okay, so then from there, let's add some details, of course, right? So we could add some bands right here in the headband if you want to add some color. You can even add some drizzle in here if you want to make it look like the gingerbread ears. But I'll leave mine plain for now. And then let's add the most important part to this drawing right here. So I'm going to come right here and draw another angle line. The inspiration behind this drawing. And I'm going to add some curves right here to fancy it up. And so, like I said, the most important part is I'm going to be drawing Mickey gingerbread man. So let's come right here. I know it's so tiny, but we're just going to draw a curve. The most important part is the ears. And then the head, so round it off, just imagining this as a curve continuing. But right there. And then the body. So nice and simple. We're just going to draw some arms that come out. And then the legs. Now that the outside shape is done, let's come in here for some details. So right in here, I'm going to draw a little oval for the eyes and another oval for the nose. I really hope you can see this. And then a smile right underneath. And then a bow. Hopefully I have enough room. Little bow. And then there's 2 circles. Yay! We did it. And there's even some drizzle on the ears because it is a gingerbread, but I'll do that when I color it to add some drizzle there. But then other than that, that's pretty much it. I'm going to add some creases right here. Just flick it out. And some detail right here. I'm just going to follow my bottom. and thicken the stripe. And of course I have to add some hearts, right? So just I'll just add some hearts here and there, right, going right across. So about right here. So just like my candy cane girl. And one more right here. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this Disney Christmas inspired Draw So Cute girl turned out, and thank you cuties for inspiring me to draw her for you. Before I go, I wanted to wish you cuties a very Merry Christmas, and thank you for all the love and support you've given me this year. I will see you soon with another video, so please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.